Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Tuesday, May 18th. Today we have a new set of destinations by Riley Blake. These are large panel prints that are perfect to be the center of your next quilt. Last time the destinations line was released, we were not traveling at all, and I said that these would be places that we hoped we could go. And now, of course, the world, or at least the US, is opening up a little bit. So maybe these panels and prints will inspire you to plan your next vacation. So let's look at these beauties. I particularly love the saturation of color in these. So here is New England with the classic lighthouse and some sailboats. Next, this one is particularly fun, and I feel like you could cut this up, it would still be fun. We've got Music City, Nashville. That one has so many neat designs on it. They've definitely done their homework in figuring out exactly the kinds of things that are associated with the different places. Here's Viva Italia with all the different postcards from different Italian cities. And I believe that's maybe Cinque Terre up on top. Next, we have Jackson, Wyoming. Sorry, I'm trying to be as tall as I can. These are large panels. I am the shortest in my family, 5'8". So when I'm home, I feel short. When I'm here, I feel tall. Here's Lake Tahoe. Oh, look at those geese up top. That's very pretty. Nice colors in that one too. Here is coastal California. Oh, I bet Sue is going to like this. Look at that, all the way up and down the coast of California. Next, we have Great Smoky Mountains. And we did get some extra bolts of this guy since this is a near and dear park for those in our area. So this one will be available for a little longer than the rest, more than likely. And then we have, let's see, oh, there's a few more. Here's another Nashville. Somebody's a big country music fan over at Riley Blake. Also some great prints. And of course, you don't have to make a quilt out of these. You could do pillows or break them up and turn them into smaller projects, wall hangings. And then, let's see. I can't read that backwards, but I know it's the Southwest. But what's it say in the middle? The Grand Circle. There we go. Utah, Arizona. We've got Grand Canyon in there. That is a beautiful, beautiful area of our country. And finally, we have another coastal California, and that's a nice big panel. Look how cute that is. Oh, I love that. You could put that with the other coastal California panel and do a front and back reversible quilt. So again, that's the new collection of destinations by Riley Blake. We do have a lot of other destinations still here in the store. So if you search destinations on the search bar in the top right corner of our website, you'll find lots and lots of options, all with beautiful color saturation from Riley Blake Designs. One more thing I wanted to share with you. I know I've mentioned it before, but we are now pre-selling kits for our Quilters Trek 2021 design. It's called Cotton the Polar Bear. This is my own design. And this is what used to be called Row by Row Experience. So if that sounds more familiar to you, that's what that is. Starting June 21st, you can get a free pattern here in the store, and we do have kits available that will be for sale in the store, online, and curbside. And right now you can pre-order them. So if you'd like to get a jump on it, you can go ahead and search Quilters Trek on our website, and I will also link this on the comments of this video so that you can get a head start. This year's theme out the scarves to be any holiday. So you could do all red and green and create a Christmas quilt. You could do hearts and create a Valentine's quilt, anything that you like. So This is also a very simple design. I think there's 12 pieces in each polar bear. So if you are a beginning applicator, it's going to be a great project to start with. That's what we have for you today. We'll be back tomorrow. We've got so much fabric in the back. It's going to take at least a week for me to show it all to you. So come back tomorrow and see what else is new. Have a great afternoon. Bye.